Welcome back, guys. In this video, I'm going to very quickly explain what Configure is in Ableton Live, what it does and how to use it. So basically, Configure gives you deep access to all of your plugins parameters. So if you drag a third-party plugin into a track on Ableton, if you click the Configure button, it'll open up the plugin, and then literally any editable parameters that you click on will appear once you shut the plugin down. Now you've got to press Configure again so it's not highlighted. That means we've come out of Configure mode. So we've got the filter cutoff here. So if I right click on that and choose Show Automation, I can draw in a filter sweep. And this can be used for literally any of the editable parameters in any plugin. So this is a seriously cool feature that gives you very, very deep control over all your third-party plugins in Ableton. And that is it. Super simple, but really, really powerful and versatile. Any questions at all, ask me in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time.